Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can sign up for a eBay account. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, go ahead and open any browser you want, then simply go ahead into the search bar and search for eBay like I'm doing, and finally go ahead and click on the first link which says ebay.com. Once you have done that, you're going to be on this page right here where you want to simply go ahead and click on sign in on the top left of your screen right over here. So you're going to be on this page right over here once you click on sign in. If you want to go ahead and sign up, you're going to go ahead and click on create an account on top right over here. Go ahead and click on that. And finally, once you have done that, go ahead and enter your first name, your last name, your email, and then go ahead and enter a password. And once you have done that, simply go ahead and click on create account and your account should be created. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to do next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.